If you want to add a Mailchimp sign-up form in Wix, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to copy your Mailchimp form code, add it to your Wix website, and get it live on your page in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to grow your email list, capture new subscribers, and connect your website with your Mailchimp marketing setup. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. First, you need to copy the sign-up form code from Mailchimp. This is the embed code that will allow Wix to display your form properly. Make sure you have your Mailchimp form ready before moving to Wix, because you'll need that code in just a moment. Next, go to Wix.com and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your Wix dashboard, look for the website drop-down menu. This is where you can see all the sites connected to your account. Click on the website drop-down so you can choose the correct site. After that, click Go to All Sites. This will take you to a full list of your Wix websites. From here, find the site where you want to add your Mailchimp sign-up form. Make sure you select the right one, especially if you manage more than one Wix website. Once you've found the site, click Edit Site. This opens the Wix editor where you can make changes to your page design and add new elements. Now you're ready to place the Mailchimp form onto the page. Inside the editor, click the plus icon in the left-hand menu. This is the Add panel in Wix, where you can insert different elements like text, images, buttons, and embedded content. For this tutorial, you'll want to choose the frame or embed option, since that's what allows you to paste in your Mailchimp code. After selecting the frame and drag and drop option, place it on your site where you want the sign-up form to appear. You can resize it and move it around until it looks right for your layout. Think about where your visitors are most likely to see it, like a sidebar, footer, or near a call to action. Now click Enter Code. This is where you paste the Mailchimp sign-up form code you copied earlier. Make sure you paste the full embed code exactly as Mailchimp provided it, because missing even a small part of the code can stop the form from working correctly. Once the code is pasted, click Apply. Wix will then process the code and display the form on your page. After that, take a moment to preview your site and check that the form appears correctly and looks good on both desktop and mobile if possible. And that's it. You've successfully added a Mailchimp sign-up form in Wix. Now your visitors can subscribe to your email list directly from your website, which is a simple but powerful way to grow your audience over time. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.